Van Ladder, the one-man aerial workshop. Why should it take two people to do what one person can do with the right tools? The Chariot Bucket is the tool that gives you an extra set of hands without tying up another technician. The rolling fork system allows 130-degree rotation to square up a sign to a wall. There are lower forks, along with a coated platform for cabinet signs and larger channel letters, and upper forks for raceway signs. The Van Ladder's 400-pound bucket capacity gives a 200-pound installer an additional 200 pounds to lift a sign. That covers a large percentage of today's lightweight signs. Adjustable in every direction, the pattern arms enable a single person to easily attach a pattern to a wall and keep it level, even in the wind. And the banner spindle makes putting up banners quick and easy. These features all lead to greater efficiency, happier technicians, and more profits.
Earlier, when we didn't really have access to square up with where we had to be, that's why the swivel's so nice, because you can park off center from where you need to be, and then you can use the swivels to still get the sign straight. Even with that big sign we had on there, that had been 140 pounds, and even then you could still move it around with one arm. So it worked well, I thought. It almost saves you just so much labor, because you can do everything with one person now. You don't need another person to sit there and hold one side while you hold the other side. You can go up by yourself and then put it in and then level it, and it works well. You can do almost everything by yourself.
The whole bucket might not swivel, but I think just with the arms that swivel, that's the same difference to me. You can get in position, it doesn't matter what angle you're at, and you're able to swing the sign, even with a channel letter I had on the stand. I was able to swing that into the wall and then mount my letters.
Using the basket today probably saved me 4 hours easy. What it would normally take two guys to do, I can do it by myself in that one basket. It's definitely faster, more maneuverable, and definitely you can get it right where you want it. So your hands free, installing those big letters like that makes it really, really good.
Yeah, I think that I could do a whole raceway by myself, like 10, 15-foot raceway. I wouldn't need another set of hands or anything because of the platform that comes out. It just makes my life so much easier.